So we want to make sure that they are stay nice and smooth. So when you apply the surface of the chamfer foil gels, I'm going to coat it completely. And then it's going to the second one. Yep, I'm going to matte it first. I'm going to add the matte top coat here for 60 seconds. Because I want all the surface to be smooth. It's one of, you can apply the chamfer foils right here, but then because you have a really beautiful, it's like a lot of glitter. So we want to make sure that is covered. All right, so let's get started with the premium IHO chamfer foil. Oh my goodness, it looks so cool. It's a matte look. Here's a matte look. We're gonna apply it and tie the nails. I just want to share with you and show you how beautiful the newest collections right now. It's available for you. So here, only 30 seconds. It's great to grab it and get ready for holidays. And then the other one too. Yeah, the bundle is there.
Oh, you put a bundle.
Just this one.
So all the bundle is 5. The regular is 20.
So all the bundle is 5, and the singles of the items is 20.
Do that after.
Yeah. Sorry. I'm back now. So here, this one is curing for 30 seconds already, and I have an eyes on this. I can't wait. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go, and you can select wherever you want your image to be. So I'm gonna lay it right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and using the tweezer and rub. Give it really good pressures so you can transfer everything. If you're having really hard time with your chamfer foils, any image, or applies the encapsulate glitter, the premium IHO chamfer foil would definitely is going to back you up every single time. Ready? That's it. Is that gorgeous?
All the Christmas you could want it.
And how it transfer everything. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. So, okay, so I'm gonna have a different one. And we're gonna apply the chamfer foils on the next one. We're gonna do all the crystal placement right after. Oh my god, I miss doing his cute chamfer foils. And then if you really like painting and you start playing with painting, you can trace after the line of it. It's absolutely fine. You can trace your gel painting on it to make it more dimensional. So like you can add the glitter, crystal, or drawing on it. So premium IHO chamfer foils, here for 30 seconds. And this one is a matte already. And then we're gonna do the, I'm gonna show you with this. I'm so excited. We'll see how many of this designs can get out of this box.
Yep, so before that, you're gonna go ahead and apply the transfer foil on here.
I'm gonna go ahead and apply the transfer foils on this one as well.
And hey Kinders, yes, we will be saving all the lights. So if you guys want to come back to any of the lights that you see, you will be able to watch them.
make sure you apply oil inside the nails. If sometime I don't it doesn't chamfer because I miss like any spot. So if you miss it, it will not chamfer. So make sure you apply some more if you are going to apply inside the nails. And I have a nice for this one. It's really cute. Like, which one should I do? So much option. So many options. Oh my god, super cute. Okay. Hold on. This one is so cute though. I'm gonna show you which one. Yeah. There's a lot. Like,
you can do the whole tree on it.
No tree. I'm gonna save it for next one. Should I do in Christmas on a tree?
Yeah, no, do tree and bread, and then you can have the whole stand on here.
All right, here you go. I'm gonna add the tree in here.
Yep, just know your option is near unlimited. There's so much fun design you can do with this.
I saved the candle for them. Here you go. My hands get slippery. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Thank you. I hope you have a fabulous Tuesday.
Yep, and a quick reminder, anything you see Nancy do is available on our website, Glitz, accessory and stuff. And we currently have the countdown to our grand opening sale, which is going to give you up to 50% off a lot of products. And
as we were talking yesterday, I see the gift. So you can absolutely layer this. All right, so I'm gonna do another layer of the chamfer foil. One more layer and cure for 30 seconds.
You can go center to super red one.
Center?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here. Center and no, I want the snowman. Okay, where I'm at. I'm gonna move this one for a second, okay?
I guess, yeah.
I'm gonna do a snowman right there. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
So, Giantolini, I hope I got it right. So yes, if you have some stubborn or like really thick transfer foil, our premium will work with pretty much all of them. Like I haven't really seen a whole lot of transfer foil that be able to get it stay. Just like the premium one is really strong. So if you have been having some stubborn sticker, give our premium transfer foil gel a try.
And also check on the LED lamp. Make sure the LED lamp is here really properly for the chamfer foil.
Yep.
Where I'm at? Oh, right here. Sorry. Instagram. So doing Instagram is good. Okay, good. Oh my god, I'm really in love with this, and it chamfers pretty much everything. Let's see.
Do your next stacking.
I have the gift right there. I'm gonna put right there. Gift under the tree. There you go.
Just like that.
You can layer so many.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking for the sparkle star. Is this one done? That is so beautiful. See, so if you don't want to do any crystal at all, guess what happens? You just need to do is top coat it, cure for 60 seconds, and then you're good to go. If you are going to add some crystal, you absolutely can.